Hey, hi everyone, this is Vinisha, and in today's video, we are going to talk about integration pack instance object, which is available in Atmosphere API. So this object will allow you to query the accounts installed integration pack instances, and you can also get the details of the process associated with your integration pack instances. So I'll show you a demo as to how it all works. So here on my screen, this is a simple IPAC which I've built in my parent account. And this is the process associated with this IPAC. And I have gone ahead and installed this IPAC in two different instances. So this is a multi-installation integration pack, and I have two instances of the IPAC installed in my sub account. So let's try to query these details via the Atmosphere API. Let me show you the URL and request how it all looks. So this is the URL for query, and we need to supply the account ID here. This would be your sub account ID where your integration pack is installed. And this is a sample request. So we'll have to pass the integration pack name here in the argument. So let's try testing this from Postman. So here I've populated my account ID already, and this is my request. So this is the right integration pack, which I'd like to query. So if you see here, this is my integration pack name. Let me just go ahead and run this process once. So if you see I've received a 200 OK response, let me just copy this response and paste it in a notepad. So if you have observed, I have received two instances of my IPAC here. And so this is the integration pack instance ID. And we can use this instance ID to get the details of your process, which is associated with this particular integration pack. So you can get the process IDs and like from the parent account. So this is the integration pack instance ID. And um, this is the name of your installed instance. So this 2024 process 1 and process 2, which is what we see here. So in the sub account, this is what I have installed. So yeah, this is how we use the query operation with the integration pack instance object. In the next video, we'll see how to use the get operation and get the process details associated with your integration IPACs. I hope this information helps, and thank you for watching. Bye.